Good morning and welcome to day 11. And that sea is choppy.
Yeah.
That sea is very choppy today.
And it ain't full moon, is it?
Love you too, Pickle.
What time's that?
I don't know.
They're cutting the grass today. They are.
Yeah.
So it gets nice and short.
Trimming the grass.
I bet our grass is going to be like that.
I bet our grass is dead.
It's orange. Good.
I like it here today.
We're going to play golf.
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I want to get a smoothie now, then. Do you want a smoothie, Corbin?
I think I might.
Thanks. Where have we just been? Been to Walmart to do the last bits of shopping on day, what day are we on?
11.
Day 11. It's just showing you Spider-Man that you got from Walmart. We're just off to Liverpool now to get my new hat and to go to Pandora again for Mrs. P. There's Zachary. Yeah, to go to Pandora for Mrs. P. She wants to get the dolphin charm, don't she? Yeah. So it wasn't too bad that time. Nice chilled out walk around Walmart. Just get the last.
It weren't busy like last time.
It weren't busy. I didn't take the gimbal, so that's why you're on the phone. Overall, no cameras actually, no GoPros, nothing like that. Just all on the phone. Now we're just going to have a quick look at Liverpool, get the last bits we need. Then we're going to have a pool day, haven't we? We'll be chilled out by my beard.
Dinner, we're going to play golf with Mrs. P this time.
Yeah, with Mummy P.
Yeah.
We're going to play golf with Mummy P. Well, my beard has gone absolute crazy in this weather. I need to trim it, so I can't trim it because I ain't brought nothing to trim with, just some little poxy beard trimming scissors. They're tiny, they are. But hey ho. Yeah, just going to do the last bits of shopping and then we can chill out. We've got the water park tomorrow, so that should be cool. And hopefully won't need that much money there. We wouldn't need any, we just need
We
it for pilot.
probably won't because we're not getting anything because I got 5 teddies and Zach got
5 teddies on a holiday. Does he really need any more teddies? No, he doesn't.
no.
No, he doesn't.
My goal of on holiday was to get 5 teddies.
It looks like he's achieved it.
I've achieved
We're
it.
just going through the new town now, so that's about it for now.
Yeah.
Just a wet pool day. Weather's beautiful, so that's good because we have had a few storms, haven't we?
Yeah, but
Hey.
not that bad.
No, not that bad. But hey, there we go. now. That's all I wanted. That's what it is.
Can I see the people, the football house?
The footballer's house.
It's that one that you told yours.
Yep.
That.
I don't know which footballer it is, but that's the footballer's house, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Again. Oi, oi, oi. Go on, do it. Do you?
I was tipping the damn penis.
That hair, what a mop. Is that better? A bit better. Got a Jim Beam and Coke, chilling by the pool.
Jim Beam?
There's a little dude there. I ain't using that in the GoPro today because I can't bother, they're in the safe. Me and Mrs. P. Having a drink, sunbathing, while the boys are playing.
I'm not.
We're going to get some Japanese in a minute.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful, look. Where are you, Zach? There you are. Dance. Do a little kiss and dance and move. There he's gone, look. There he goes. Been to warm up this morning, got a few bits. Just like sweets and that for the lads at work and last few souvenirs, stuff like that. So we don't have to go there again. It's like about a good 40-minute bus journey. Yeah, I think she's asleep. She's not even talking to me. Just put some oil, literally cooking oil, on Mrs. P. She's currently cooking in the sun. Not gonna lie, I did put some on me as well. Got to get a nice tan. I know it is hot here today, it's lovely, really nice today. There's our waitress though. Hola! Hola! There she goes. That's our new waitress for today. As soon as my Jim Beans run out, she's there again with another one. Really, really good. Bless her. Makes a change because they're normally blokes. But that's nice to have a woman for a change. But hey. Anyway, back to the sun. See you in a bit. Right, me and Mrs. P are currently sat eating Japanese. The boys don't want anything to eat, so we're eating Japanese though. That's our grub for a minute. They can go and get a hot dog or a burger if they're hungry. Look, I'm just sat here, literally, and I'm sweating. I haven't been in the pool, I'm just sweating. It's that hot while I'm eating. Not that I'm complaining, because it's nice, but yeah, it's good. So it's lunchtime now. Just getting some snap. It's nice. Very nice. So I'm leaving this here. There's the army, look. Here comes the military. See down there, they're actually searching him by the looks of it. Don't know why. Yeah, they're searching him. They just called him in on the jet skis and told him to come here. They're searching him now. Well, currently playing mini golf. All the potters.
Oh, got offside.
2 baby P's, mummy P and daddy P. Just chilling, playing golf. So it looks like there's another thunderstorm on the way. You're on phone view again because I've been really lazy today. I've had no GoPros out. It's all on the phone because we're not doing anything because we're going water park tomorrow. So alright, it's my go golf. See you in a bit.
Just because
and pleasure to millions of music lovers.
I'm in love with chances are you. 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 Close your soda, your lips meet mine.